Right here I have the 3-pack of shorts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be showing you these 3-pack of these athletic shorts. Now you can get these in a couple different colors, but I ended up getting the black, the red, and the blue. You can also get these in grays and greens. This has an elastic waistband going all the way throughout, so it's going to be super comfortable. Now I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium, and I think that they fit great. This is right on my waistline, and they're going to come right above the knee. So it's going to be perfect for athletic activities, whether you're doing pickleball, tennis, basketball, yoga, working out. It's going to give you a lot of stretch and mobility. Now this color option looks so nice, and I want to show you guys my iPhone right here fits in this pocket perfectly. So you can actually see where it goes down to. So these are deep pockets, and when you're moving, if you're working out, it's going to hold your phone nice and secure on both sides. No back pocket, but these front pockets definitely make up for it. Now if you look on the side here, all of these are going to have a nice reflective material on the left side of them. So if you are going to be using these outside in any way, that reflective strip is going to help you be seen. Now also on the top here of the elastic, we do get these pull strings, and they are going to have a metal. This is going to be on the inside. So if you really want to crank these up and tie them, has a high quality lace in here, feels really durable, and if you tuck that in, it's super comfortable, and now these shorts are not going anywhere. Now these shorts not only look amazing, but they feel amazing too, because they're made of a 95% polyester and a 5% elastane. So that's actually gonna give you a nice 4-way stretch going all the way throughout. So moving around in these is so nice and easy. These are gonna be perfect for any kind of athletic activity, whether you're playing basketball, pickleball, tennis, or you're just working out in the gym. These look amazing and they feel amazing too. Definitely moisture wicking, lightweight, and breathable. Make sure you check out all the other colors, add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.